Hey, it's Chris here from Data Rescue Labs. Very quick video today on the micro SD cards that came in sometimes last week. These are SD cards that don't read at all. Very common on SanDisk. So I'm going to work on a SanDisk. I'm going to microsolder direct NAND connection to the SD card, and we're going to read it on VNR, and we're going to recover the data. Pretty straightforward job. There is an easier way without soldering, but since I don't have the adapter yet, I'm going to solder it. So let's get to it. So this is what the card looks like before we scrape off the back. You can see the pinout underneath this black mask. This has to be removed with a fiberglass pen, which I'm going to use to scrape it off without damaging the traces underneath. And once it's soldered on, this is what it looks like. It goes to this adapter, and then we can plug it into a VNR reader, and then we can start dumping the memory chip. So now what we're gonna do, once the card is soldered into the adapter, we can put it in a reader carefully and lock it in place, and then now we can start the reading the crystal and then setting up a configuration and hopefully dumping the chip. So now what we gotta do is we got a reader element here, and we're gonna read ID. And it's got the CE01 to crystal 1. Now you can set up a configuration, and there's already some here set up, but we gotta modify it for the specific SD card. After playing around with the settings a little bit, found the right configuration for this device, and now we can start reading the dump. So it's been a day since the last video. This is the recovery completed. It took some time to figure out this particular card. I was unable to recover the file system because there was some bad blocks that we couldn't correct. So the basic breakdown is I can't really show the data, but since it is a raw recovery, we're only able to recover the JPEGs. Videos were kind of damaged, but I think 1 out of 10 pictures were slightly damaged because of the bit errors, but other than that, it's a pretty successful recovery. Okay, thanks for watching. This was SanDisk Micro SD data recovery using VNR from ruSolut. For our future videos, we might be switching gears a little bit. We're going to be focusing more on the forensic side of our what we do here. It's because we do a lot more forensic work lately, so I want to focus more on that. I don't find too many forensic videos on YouTube. When it comes to procedures and all these things, there might be some interest in this. I don't know. Guess we'll find out. Anyways, give this video a like. If you want, follow us on Instagram at datarescuelabs.inc. You can also find us on Facebook. If you like this video, like I said, give us a thumbs up, and stay tuned for more videos.